guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Roy and you're watching Roy Vlogs. In today's video, second day of Kudla Barsa vlog. Yeah, usually I used to search for a content. If there is a content only, then I used to do a video. But today, like from past 2 days, like yesterday and today, I thought so like there wouldn't be a content on my YouTube channel, so I thought of dropping it. Like I thought of dropping my YouTube videos, uploading on my YouTube because of this COVID and the rain. But yesterday, what I got the idea um, of the content is that I would do this Kudla vlog. So yeah, sounds crazy that I'm vlogging for the first time about the rains. This is my first content, I guess, about the rains. Okay, so yeah. Let me have a tea so that I get some ideas for my vlog. Well, so today's day 2. I mean, it's not day 2, it's already been a week. It's been a month. The rain has started, and this is my second show of the Kudla Barsa. So yeah, I had shot some videos where you can see it's very heavy rain out there, and yeah, even today I was stuck there, the same place where I was in yesterday. The same time I went there, that place. Usually I go there. So the same place, even I got stuck and I came back. I did not vlog over there. So I'm vlogging after coming home. So then even I got my lights, everything. Usually I carry a flashlight, but flashlight I don't use. It's for charging. It's there charging. And yeah, so I'm using my home light. I hope it focus my face, that's all. खूबसूरती तो दिखाना पड़ता है, ग्लैमर. YouTube needs glamour. Okay, yeah, that was a joke. Yeah. Secondary, coming to the COVID cases. As you all know, Bhuvan Bam, a YouTuber who had lost his mom and dad a few days ago, I guess. I don't know. So you guys know all that, cause of COVID, that too. So yeah, make sure you guys to be safe at home. Contact less people as much as they can, like except your family. Make some of this contact so that make sure that you be safe. God knows nowadays who has COVID, who doesn't have, who has got it spread to COVID. So be safe, guys. That's all. Even I used to think that COVID is nothing. I thought it's a small fever and come, it will go. Some people will think like, I don't get corona at all, bro. Don't worry about it. Some guys are like that. So yeah, I would say that's nothing that you won't get. You're not a Superman or you're not a god. You're a human. So you guys make sure that you stay safe. That's all. And yeah, lockdown has been extended. The worst part. And for second PUC people, it's a good news. Second PUC exam has been cancelled. Yeah, there are still people who is suffering from this exam itself. Like some people want exams, some people doesn't want. So like government has been pressurized like some the half of the people they say the exam they want and they want it to be get over. The other side, people says no, we do not need exams at all because of this COVID, and they do get scared of it. So still the government is, I think so. I hope the exam gets cancelled. It's better the exam gets cancelled. If you have a college, might might know someone has a COVID or God knows whatever it is. So like to be safe, it's better to be at home. If government has this kind of any ideas that coming through online exam, that would be also okay. That would be I would say okay for the online exams. Um, but I don't think so. The college is the safe place for students. I hope government sees this video and yeah, I have some decision made. But and as you know, there was news that a girl had a suicide because she used to study. She studied hard, and at last the exam got cancelled somehow, and she lost her fully hope on her studies, and she had suicide. Yeah, yeah, guys. So make sure you guys be safe. God knows nowadays what will happen. It's too dark outside, as you can see here. It's very dark outside right now. It's around 5:20 right now. It's 5:20 right now, 5:20 p.m. And as you can see, it's dark. Usually dark would be at after 6:30, but during the rains it's like 5:25, 5:25 that time. And yeah, in this rains we should have some tea with pakoda, I guess. Yeah, it would be better choice to eat in the rainy season. uh, I didn't mean pakoda. You know, guys, I'm a lazy guy, and usually sometimes or the other I'll be eating. Sometimes I won't even eat right now. Right now my schedule has been changed right now. See, before my time was like morning wake up at 7 or might 6:30. That was my maximum. Like 7 is my last. So 6:30 or 7 I'll be waking up. I'll have my tea 8:30 with some breakfast. Any a biscuit or something or the other I'll be eating. Like usually I don't eat breakfast because I hate some breakfast. What they prepare. So usually I eat biscuits and all. So दिन का तो हो जाता है. Afternoon, yeah. Coming back to afternoon, I eat sometime the lunch. Sometimes I skip my lunch. Skipping my lunch is because I love non-vegetarian. I hate vegetarian. So sometimes I'll be skipping the lunch. When there is a non-veg, I'll be like today. It was non-veg and I ate today. And at 2 I ate at 3:30 something. That was my late time. And yeah, night I should see it for today. But since 3 days night, yeah, I have eaten my night dinner. Only lunch I skip usually. Dinner I'll be eating something. Dinner sometimes will be some non-veg, something or the other. So I'll be eating. This rain and this COVID made our life what like made our hell. Like no timing sense right now. इधर उधर कर दिया मेरा टाइमिंग पर अभी. It's like that. It's like I'm staying in somewhere in USA or Dubai, It's like that time. I'll be now. I wake up at 8, and my breakfast will be at 10. Lunch will be at maximum 3:30 only usually. Night dinner will be 9:45, sometimes 10. So this COVID has made such a big thing. So yeah, today I guess I'll be posting up a story. If you guys haven't followed me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, nor Snapchat, please do follow me. Somewhere or the other, you guys follow me, so that I'll be updating somewhere or the other. I don't know. Usually I update on Instagram only, whatever is there, Insta and WhatsApp. So if you guys haven't followed me, follow me on my Instagram page. To follow, somewhere or the other will be there. Also will be on the description. Please go check out. And yeah, followers go down. That is a request. Yeah, I almost reached 567 followers right now. I'm not in a cave. That too, just 560 or something, yeah, 67, 64 something. That's all. And yeah, I need more followers still. I need at least 2k followers. So like, let my family becomes 2k. And also yeah, some of you guys have not subscribed. Out of 10, you guys have only subscribed not even half of it. Half of one. Yeah, that's all, guys. Please do subscribe my channel. Begging you guys. And yeah, if you like my content, please do like. Also comment if I miss something, and also share this video as much as you can, so that सब दुनिया को ये मालूम पड़े कि क्या हो रहा है दुनिया में, मतलब बाहर की दुनिया में क्या हो रहा है. So yeah, almost kids are enjoying the rains, as I can see outside right now. So kids, yeah, main thing guys, stay far from the rain. Like, might the next morning you get cold, fever and all. So make sure you stay far from the rain. And yeah, nowadays, you know, if you have cold, fever and all, the COVID, they'll have a COVID charge on you, like you are COVID positive and such. Okay, so make sure you stay far from the rain too. I hope even these people watch this video and let them know something, that how to be safe. So yeah, I wouldn't put this video too long, but something or the other I have to speak, right? Otherwise you guys will be skipping 10 seconds, 20 seconds, so on. Yeah. And one more thing, after this this lockdown and so on, I hope people like people should be having some precautions later on after this lockdown gets over, like wear their mask, sanitizer, carry their sanitizer and so on, so that people will be still safe. Next future, might know the coronavirus is gone or no, like COVID has gone or no. Some people will think after the lockdown, the COVID is gone completely over. God knows, someone and the other will be having it. So make sure to be safe. Some people are still getting irritated in this COVID lockdown. Some people doesn't have work. Some people doesn't have studies, also college college is fine. I mean, not college. College is not okay. Actually, not good. The higher studies is fine. Okay. But those who are earning money, everyone has gone down right now in this lockdown. So guys, make sure you guys be safe so that you can start earning from home. If you guys haven't like haven't seen any ads where you can invest money and all, please go check anywhere, somewhere or the other. Any apps will be there. Uh, there is an app called Binomo. So if you open the Binomo app, you can invest their money. I guess it is risk less. It's risk taken. Yeah, might so. So that is the best app, I guess, because almost I've seen the ad. Highest the ad I've seen is of Binomo itself. So I guess it is a trustworthy investment app, I guess. So if you guys have not installed, or you guys want to invest money, please do check out Binomo app. I don't think so. I'll be putting on the description because I'm not investing money anywhere, because my budget is only like that. So I'm not investing anywhere, and yeah, I don't want to. जॉब मिलता है अच्छे के लिए मिलता है बस. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for you guys. Make sure you guys will be safe. I'm ending up this vlog for today right now. So I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye. Take care. And make sure you subscribe my channel. This clip was when I reached just a few minutes ago to home from the place where I was. ठीक है, come back.